At home with Power BI, I'm Zahir Brahim from Sigma BI. Today I'm going to show you how to connect to the data source by using the web. Now there are plenty of data sources that we can connect to, and the web is one of them. And what I like about it is there are so many data tables and information that we can get on from the website that we can bring straight into Power BI, transform it, and then visualize it as well. This is really good if you are just getting into business intelligence and especially Power BI, and you want to start showcasing your skills and getting more practice in. This is what I would use, and this is what I was using when I started off in Power BI. You're able to refresh the data as well, and I'll show you how to do that. Okay, are you ready? Let's come and take a look. Let's go. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect to a data source, and that data source is going to be from the web. I would encourage anybody that's getting into Power BI to use this to your advantage. Use this so you can start creating reports and dashboards from the information that we can get from the web. Practice makes perfect, and getting data from the web, there's so many websites you'll be able to get data from. It's practically unlimited. So get onto it, find a website, get the information in, and start creating reports. It's the only way you're going to get better at it, and it's the only way that you're going to learn is if you jump in with 2 feet sometimes. So I'm just going to show you how to do that, how to connect to a website and bring that information in, so we can start to transform it and start visualizing that data. So if you go to the top ribbon, it'll say Get Data, and if you come down, it gives us obviously the data sources. If you go down to the web, just click on there. What this will now do is pop up with a box and asking for the URL. So as we don't know what the URL is at the moment, we need to go find one. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to Google to search for a website where it has some data that I can bring in. Now I like football, so I'm going to search for some information regarding football, and I think the UEFA Champions League is a good one. So type that in, and I'm just going to say, right, I want to know who the winners are. So click on that. Okay, let's give him some information. And at the top here, especially with the one that I just typed in, Wikipedia is really a good one. So they have quite a lot of information in there, and in table formats as well. So I'm going to select on that. And what that should do now is bring me up the web page with all the information in there. And look, that's got quite a lot of information in there. So it's giving me the season, the nation, the team, score, the runners up, what venue it is at, and what attendance as well. So this is great information here that I can use and start analysing and visualising that data and produce it to somebody, or to fellow colleagues, or to friends that are interested in football. So what you need to do is just copy the URL top. Let's go back into Power BI, and let's paste that into the URL. So if I just put that in and press OK, so now what that's going to do is connect to that website. It's a great thing that we can do here. So it's going to come up with all the tables that is identified in that web page. So as you can see, there's a list of European Cup and UEFA. So all we need to do is select on it, click on it to see a preview of it. Now that wasn't what I seen before, so I'm going to carry on and try and find that table that I've seen with all the information on there. Right, so this is the winners and the team, scores and runners up and that kind of thing. So this is the table that I want. So I'm going to check that box there, and just for browsing purposes, and see if there's any more information I can get. So I'm just going to go down. Okay, so this is a good one as well. This is performance in European Cup. So how many times they've won the European Cup. So I'll bring that in as well. Performance by nation. Look at that. This is some great information here. Just quite unlimited. So okay, I think that's enough. I think I'm happy with those 3 tables. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it in and start producing some reports. So As you can see, there's a few lines that are missing, and there's some null values in there. So what I want to do is start transforming that data. So all I need to do is click on the transform, and that will take me in the Power Query where I can start transforming that, cleaning that data out and shaping it. So now I'm in the Power Query, and what I can do now is start to clean and shape that data, and then take that up into the desktop and start be able to start some visualization. So this is how easy it is for us to do it. It's remarkable where we can go to a website and get all the information out from there in a few clicks in Power BI, which is great. And a great feature about this as well is it has a refresh button at the top here. So I know that this competition goes on every season. So if I had a report with all the matches and that kind of thing, and the website gets updated on a regular basis, I'm able to click on the refresh button, and that will bring all the data that they've put in there, bring it into my report. So it has that live connection because it's from a website. As long as they put it on that web page with all the information that we have in there with the tables, it will update. It can update that for us just by us clicking the refresh button. We also have that option if we have the pro version. We're able to select a refresh every day, every week if we wanted to, and it's just amazing that we're able to do this from a website. So it's quite good and important for you guys to learn about it, bring in some data, and start using it, and just start shaping it and getting practice on it because it's really good. And the great thing about connecting to data sources like this, we can connect to many data sources. This is not the only one we can do. We can just connect to Excel as well, and then start combining that data if you had some information on spreadsheets and that kind of thing as well. So, yeah. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it sort of clarified a few things that you could do. It's just a simple video for you to understand, just to bring in the data and start using it, and getting your experience up, where you can then start performing the modeling and the visualizations as well. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Please like and subscribe to the videos, and if there is anything that you want me to show or want me to go through, please send me a message or put it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys. At home with Power BI with me, Zahir Brayman. Learn with us by subscribing to our channel to get updated on our latest videos.